So it is 2019 and it's time for a New Year's resolution. And what is the number one thing on most people's list? Going to the gym, getting in shape, losing weight. All great things, don't get me wrong, but when it comes to your clothing, things start not to fit right. Number one example is the waist on your jeans. As you're doing squats, as you're lifting weights, as you're running, you're gonna lose weight in your waist and sometimes gain it in your fanny. That stinks for jeans because the waist on your pants will start to be too small, but your butt is gonna fit perfectly and the rest of the pants will fit perfectly. So how do you work around that? You can, one, take it to a tailor or someone professional to fix it for you, or you can just follow these steps and do it for yourself at home with any sewing machine that you might have. So let's get into the steps. First things first, you're gonna try on the pants. Now all my pants fit pretty good, but if they didn't, you're gonna take it from the side and you're gonna mark the excess fabric on the pants, how much you wanna take in, right there. And then you're gonna move over to the table. Now moving over to the table, you're gonna take the mark you have right here, measure it. So like I said, a lot of my pants did not fit badly, so I'm just gonna do an inch for a reference for you guys. You're gonna take that measurement and you're gonna split it in half. Go from one of the back guys here, split it, a total of 1 inch. Over on this side. Total of 1 inch. And the goal is to take this and go down to a V like such on both sides. Take your pants, turn them inside out. Take the marks, you're going to transfer them onto the other side. And then we're gonna move over to the sewing machine. Now that we're here, you're gonna take this measurement that we marked over there, you're gonna fold it in half so that that mark lines up with the other mark. Lay it down straight, turn on your machine. Now you can use a home machine for this. I'm using the industrial one just because it's the easiest, most accessible one for me. That first stitch in there. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go from here, you're gonna ease it down, right off. You're gonna taper it off to the edge of the pant. Make sure all these lines line up. Start sewing, back stitch. This can be a little bit tricky with all this extra material. There we go. Now we're going to look at it opened up. After all that, you're just going to take your iron, press it down. Move on. And then once it is all said and done, what you guys are left with is this guy right here. There's it undone, there's it done, not noticeable at all. And if you stopped right before this transition, it's even less noticeable, although you can go even into the pocket sometimes if it's really bad and you have a lot to take in. But since we were just doing an inch on this guy, not that bad. And again, I only did one side because these jeans fit well, so I'm just gonna end up taking this back out later. Didn't need to actually do the whole both sides, but you get the idea. Do both sides on your pants and hopefully they fit great. And if you tried this and it worked, awesome, let me know. I'd like to hear how it went for you guys, or if you know another way of doing it, also let me know. Maybe I can do a video about that in the future. Other than that, have a great 2019, guys, and I will see you in the next video.